You know what? The newer balls are the easiest, and then the most clearest. Then there's no risk, there's no signal. They're definitely happening. There's no signal, nothing. These three are definitely happening. Yeah, they've all been organised. Okay. So the first ball of the third over of the innings. Yeah.
Okay, first ball of the third over of innings. Right. So who's going to be opening?
Asif and Ahmed are going to be bowling.
So do we know which one?
That is going to be Ahmed. Ahmed's going to be bowled the first over. Yeah.
So the first ball
of the third over.
Of the third over.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any signal?
No signal. It will just happen.
It's a no ball. Okay.
No ball is a call. Front foot. No ball.
He's inexperienced. We know that, Mohammad Ahmed, though extremely clever in the mind. Maybe, it's a big no ball. Maybe he's finding it a little difficult because of the wet patches in his run up to get it absolutely right.
There you go. It's just where he starts to take off. It's where he starts loading himself up to bowl.
Then the 10th ball, the last ball, 6th ball, or the 10th over.
Last ball of
the 10th over.
10th over. Who's bowling it?
Asif will be bowling it.
Okay.
Just oversteps on the front line and looks as if he wants a bit of sawdust. It might be quite greasy, but just look at that front foot where it lands, which means that his arm, if his left leg lands there, he's way over, his arm must be over the stump, so he'll be bowling wicket to wicket.
Seen a couple of biggish no balls actually. One from Amir, he was over that front line by a good half a foot or so.
Check anyone. They are 2,500 each, just so there's no complaint afterwards. It's got to count them all just to make sure, triple check.